Hi bazala bakamzitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu namhlanje bazala bakamzitho is about Umpumelelo Msoleko. You know one thing I have noticed about Umpumelelo since kwadlala season 1 of Ingane Zesithembu and we got to know i-personality kaMpumelelo and nalokuthi nayo indoda efuna isithembu njengobabakhe nje ufuza babakhe ngakho konke. I've noticed ukuthi since after then every year, especially nge-birthday month kaMpumelelo, will get to know i-girlfriend kaMpumelelo angakaze introduce her to us or angakaze yavela on the show. It's either on Ingane Zesithembu or Uthando Nesithembu. Mina ama-girlfriend kaMpumelelo angike ngawabona yena self awapostile or siwabona on Ingane Zesithembu Uthando Nesithembu by4 it is unompumelelo we lo sammitha on iphathi kaMhlophekazi on Uthando Nesithembu, uVuyokazi umama kaMhlophekazi noNzulu, uTirelo umama kaSibangabakho and uMacele. Unfortunately for uTirelo, unfortunately for Umpumelelo, uTirelo is the only girlfriend asele nayo. Laba abayi-3 abasekho empilweni bakhe. We don't know what happened to yena noNompumelelo, but we do know that uVuyokazi wamlahla on national TV and uMacele said kuba basivumanga isithembu sabo and yena akafuni ukuba around uMpumelelo anymore. Gibo babona nje ukuthi lesithembu saMpumelelo asikho, but uMacele was the lady that uMpumelelo bekazimisela ukumthatha and amazing first wife, and uMacele is the reason uVuyokazi athe no, since wena udecide ukuthatha uMacele mina I won't be part of isithembu sakho bazalwane bami. So there's a picture guys manje that is making rounds on social media platform of iside chick, the wrote there iside chick kaMpumelelo bathi buye Mafikeng igama lakhe uLebu. You know one thing about uMpumelelo ne and nobabakhe, I think usitshela ukuthi uyenza njengoba but akayenzi njengoba bakhe. I don't know why uMpumelelo udate umuntu asemafikeng while uTirelo bemafikeng. Abantu basemafikeng guys, they are speaking isitswana, they are Tswana speaking people, and we know that uTirelo ubuye Mafikeng. Chances are ugele umthole mhlambe makayobona uTirelo. Uyayibona mara into esisho ngoMpumelelo ukuthi akabahlonipha abantu besimame. I feel like uTirelo akabahlonipha, sorry guys, uMpumelelo akabahlonipha abantu besimame, akamhlonipha uTirelo. And the sad part ukuthi uTirelo would do anything for Umpumelelo. We've seen on Ingane Zesithembu uTirelo uyammela uMpumelelo and uyamthanda uMpumelelo guys. Ungaposta or you can say whatever you want ngoMpumelelo ne-relationship yakhe noTirelo. uTirelo will respond and tell you ukuthi egcineni ngiyamthanda ngifuna yena, you understand. But that is one thing uMpumelelo angeke azayisho ngoTirelo. Last year on i-birthday kaTirelo there was also a picture on TikTok or a video on TikTok. Some lady posted uMpumelelo saying umngane wakhe uze kuzombona emsebenzini, you understand. This year nangu ulady naye upostiwe kuthiwa igama lakhe uLebu. I don't know why they wrote iside chick kaMpumelelo because Umpumelelo is not yet married, so angayenza nanoma yini ayifunayo. He is not yet married or anje singathi yet because we don't know ukuthi uzoshada na njengoba sifuna isithembu since sibonile on ama-short wa the next week episode that ubabakhe utshele uGogflow, which is the late grandmother yakaMpumelelo, that akathanda ukuthi uMpumelelo makayenza ingane athi uyenzela yena. So I don't think at this point umusa usazomlobolela uMpumelelo or umusa naye nje bekayisholo nje ukuthi abantu bayekuloko bamthethisa, because we know on social media and a lot of people even uMayeni is saying uMpumelelo uyilento ayiyo just because umusa uyamvuna. Nami I feel as if umusa uyamvuna uMpumelelo, but again we don't know, maybe we'll get to meet the new girlfriend on the next season, which is season 3 of Ingane Zesithembu. We know that season 3 of Ingane Zesithembu iyabuya ngoMay, and uMay guys I feel it's only 2 months, 2 months or a month, because we sukumanje ukuthi sibone simise the new girlfriend uMpumelelo introduce her, since uVuyokazi won't be part of season 3 of Ingane Zesithembu and they've promised that uMpumelelo will introduce the new girlfriend. I must say the lady muhle and uMpumelelo unetype. You know about amakhosikazi kaMpumelelo, why ngithi ama-girlfriend kaMpumelelo anako nje ukuma kahle nokuba bahle, so that means ufuza babakhe nalapho. Or sometimes sizothi ufuza babakhe kanti ubukela kubabakhe yonke into yenza ubabakhe, ufuna ukuba babakhe ngayo yonke into like yenza ubabakhe nayo ufuna ukuyenza. If babakhe is doing this, now yenza that thing, and that is the danger of having a role model engayenzi izinto ezi-right. But ekugcineni babakhe bazalwane bami mthetho, please do comment down below and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.